So guys, for today's video, Happy Easter! Ayan, for today's video, kakain tayo ng kamoting kahoy. It's the, ano ang English ng kamoting kahoy? And then we have coffee, Milo, ayan. And we're going to eat the kamoting kahoy. Kamote, it's the root crops. It's from the root crops, guys. We're going to eat. Ayan. Eat lang ng eat. Ayan. And then, back to, ano tayo, reality. Our eating vlogs. Again and again, the eating vlog. Wait lang. Hindi ko alam kung maganda ba yung pwesto ng camera. Ayun, wait lang. Wait lang. Magaling natin ito. Hindi ko alam kung maganda. Si Madido. It's Sunday today. And we're going to eat. Alam nyo, ano to? Bira lang ako makakain nito. Sakto lang. Pero ang favorite ko talaga is Maha. Maha is the best of all time. Maha is made by flour and corn. Maha. Tama ba ako? Tama ba yun yung Maha? Ito nga yung kamawag ka. Linggo today. Ay, no, today. Sunday today. Ito yung ganap natin. Mag-almusal tayo ng Maha. Ay, Maha tuloy. Minsan malaki pagkakagawa nito. Minsan malapad din yan. Ito maliit lang. Ito siya. May Milo. Oh, matapon na. Ngayon naman. Ngayon naman. Matapon yung kape. Matapon, no? Parang ang sarap nito partner sa tuyo. Kasi maalat. Parang sa partner sa tuyo kasi matamis. I think it's delicious when you paired it to the dried fish. Because it's sweet. The taste is sweet and the dried fish is salty. Right, yeah. Tissue. Right there, no? Ang dami. Ang gusto mo? It's the Milo. My favorite. Perfect. I only eat one only. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's go. Bye.